Yo, what up, man? We are back. And I am recovering from being pretty sick. So, it's a week later after World of Concrete, and I had to leave World of Concrete because I got sick while I was there. And that was Tuesday, and now it's Tuesday of next week. So actually it was Wednesday of last week. Today's Tuesday. So I still don't feel the best, but I do feel well enough to get back out and do some stuff. So yeah, we're on our way right now to look at a toilet. Now this customer is the downstairs unit to that one house that had the toothbrush and then had the float stopper stuck in the port of the toilet. So where the damage was happening, he wants me to come over and make sure his stuff is good and look at his toilet. So we booked it for today, and I'm on my way there, man. So yeah, not feeling the best. Don't have a lot of energy, man. I'm trying to conserve it because I'm probably going to end up pulling the toilet and running a camera. So I'm trying to conserve, and I just realized I am getting on the wrong highway. That's I just got on the wrong direction. So that's cool. Sometimes that happens when I guess you're not paying attention to where you're going and paying attention to what you're trying to say. I do the same thing when I'm on the phone. So anyway, I'm going to flip around and then make my way there, and I will see you at the job, dude.
Rug out of the way and all that.
Yeah.
Just make it easier for you.
Yeah.
So I have a small home up north in the mountains.
Uh-huh. That looks a lot better.
Yeah.
Let me Oh yeah.
His wife is, like I said, an ambulance chaser. Oh, big difference.
That's better than it was.
Yeah. You can order me around. What? What the fuck?
That's crazy.
What are you around? I'm asking you, please. Would you please have a check? And you're destroying my house. And when I
All right.
should we hold that down like this to make it run, or?
Well, I'm only doing that to make
No, I
sure
mean-
all the water volume. You normally shouldn't have to do that.
That's what I'm saying. Is there a
Yeah.
problem up there too?
I mean, it might just be the age of the toilet.
You mean this toilet, the age of it,
Yeah.
or the drain?
The
no,
toilet, yeah.
The toilet itself.
I don't think it's the drain. Because again, the drain, unless there's something wrong in the very short distance before it reaches where they both connect, that shouldn't be a problem. I mean, you would have, usually if it's a drain with back-to-back toilets, both toilets are affected.
Mhm.
It's not just one.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. I see what you mean. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not even flushing now.
That's weird.
Yeah, I think you got a clog. Which is weird because the other toilet, let's see what the other toilet. Yeah,
Goes right down, huh?
so it's very interesting.
So now you can see the flange on this one too, right? So that has also a camera at the end of it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And it's also an auger at the same time. Interesting.
So see, that's the other part of your toilet.
Oh, from that one?
Yep.
Oh.
So I think it's definitely related to the toilet.
You're going to the other toilet now? Here we go.
Okay.
You didn't do it? Oh, there you are, huh?
Hit it.
You got it, huh? There you go. I can flush it again and then push it down more and more. Whatever.
Well,
I never
we're looking good right now.
Yeah. Well, I hope that was the problem, and now we shouldn't. Hopefully, God, I hope so. Because I'm running out of ideas too. Maybe as you come back, you can see it if there
Yeah.
was anything else, huh? the other hole. That's the hole that goes down, right? All the way down.
Maybe flush one more time.
Sure. Uh-huh.
Or, I mean, you...
Either wax or foam gasket, huh?
Mm-hmm. All right, we are wrapped up. I'm not just leaving. I actually left and ran over to a place called Parlor Donuts. I will show you this box here. Okay. Parlor Donuts. If you have a Parlor Donuts in your area, I highly recommend you search, find it, and try it. They are cronuts, and they are bomb. But anyway, they just opened at a location down here. I had them in Oceanside. That was the closest place that was around, and I don't go to Oceanside often. So now that they're here in Orange County, I'm going to try to swing by when I can. But it's located in an area called, I think we're in Laguna Niguel right now. Or Aliso Viejo. No, we're not in Aliso Viejo. Where are we? We're somewhere in the South Orange County area. Anyway, so yeah, finished that call. Is this my turn? No, not yet. Finished that call. Toilet's still not flushing right. I think there's something's wrong. I don't really know what it is. I mean, it could be, I don't know what it could be. It's just an old toilet and it ain't flushing right anymore. I got no logical explanation why. I mean, I usually have a good understanding of why a toilet wouldn't operate properly. But for whatever reason, I mean, I removed the toilet. I inspected behind it. I ran an auger through it. It wasn't really anything that I saw that could be affecting it, so I don't know. But the drain is clear. The drain isn't a problem. So, and the back-to-back toilet, the other back-to-back toilet is flushing fine. And so after we ran the camera and noticed, I mean, it literally is back-to-back. So the only issue is the toilet. So put it back together. He's gonna come back down. He doesn't live there. He's got a tenant, but he'll be back down in a month or two, and we're just gonna replace the toilet and then call that. But guy was real nice, man. He's a vet, and yeah, he's a nice guy, man. So, yep, we are wrapped up. I gotta drop off this stuff, the camera, and then load up a few items and then go to the next one. Hopefully my shell should be here, like, hopefully within the next week. I mean, it's been 8 weeks, so it should be here. But then I won't have to be dropping stuff off and picking stuff up so often. I can just shoot to the job. It's very annoying. But yeah, we're gonna be going to a leak. Something about water stripping through the vent or exhaust fans from a bathroom that's located right above it. So we're gonna go investigate it, probably cut some holes, and then see what's up. So I will see you at the job. Alright, so we got water damage here. This is wet. There's no seal. Right, man, we are wrapped up. So yeah, I went to test it and discovered there was a clog, and it was right there at the trap, so it was pretty simple to clear. But I could tell, initially based off what I observed before I even ran the test, I could tell it was related to the enclosure. I mean, there was no rubber at all. Heavy water damage accumulated in that corner on the backside. And so I knew like it would probably be fast to replicate. And it did exactly what I thought it would do. So when the water would hit the back end or on the shower wall towards the back, the runoff would happen off the glass, and all of that is sealed up until you get to the door. And now all that water volume that's following the edge finds its way there, and then from there finds its way down to the ground and then to the corner. So pretty simple stuff, man. I mean, there's nothing I can do. I mean, I guess I probably could try to install a weatherproof thing, but man, to be honest, I feel like I would be overcharging to do something like that. I just don't feel good about doing stuff like that, so I don't offer it. Let me know if you guys do. I mean, are you guys waterproofing shower enclosures and putting rubber on shower doors? And I'm not doing that. I just stick to plumbing. You know, I don't know if tub surrounds and shower glass doors. I don't know if you wouldn't consider that plumbing, but anyway, we're wrapped up. On my way home, gonna get all this stuff emptied out, and I'm gonna need to get some rest. Again, man, I'm still coming back from being sick. I still feel not the best, so yeah, I will go home, take it easy. So I'll see you on the next one, man.